Writing style engaging. Hey everyone, it's been a wild ride in the weather world recently, and I'm here to break it down for you. The past few weeks have been nothing short of chaotic, as hundreds of tornadoes have ripped across the United States, leaving a trail of devastation from Oklahoma all the way to Michigan. April ended on a high note, if you can call it that, with a record-breaking number of twisters. And May? Well, it's following suit with an unusually large amount of tornado activity. Just yesterday, 4 tornadoes slammed into Michigan alone, causing significant damage and upheaval in communities. But what's behind this surge in tornado activity? Experts point to a very active atmospheric pattern combined with a conducive jet stream. These elements have come together to create the perfect storm, quite literally, for tornado formation. The impact on human lives is profound. Homes are destroyed, communities are uprooted, and the emotional toll is immense. As we stand amidst the wreckage, it's clear that the challenge is not just rebuilding, but also preparing for what might still come. For those of you who are fascinated by weather, or maybe just concerned about what's happening, this is a critical time to stay informed. The conditions are ripe for more severe weather, and it's essential to be prepared. Whether it's keeping an eye on the sky, or having your emergency kit ready, awareness is your first line of defense. As we move forward, let's not just count the number of tornadoes, but also focus on the human stories, the resilience, and the scientific insights that come from these extreme events. After all, understanding is the first step towards protection. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll keep bringing you all the updates right here. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weather news and insights. See you next time.